Hey everybody, welcome back to the underground lair here at Stringman Guitars. We're not working on a guitar today. We have a Dyson. It's a V8 Animal, wireless, and I bought it during the pandemic, and the battery is dead. Well, it lasts about 3 minutes, and did some research online and found that this Bonajet, B-O-N-A-D-G-E-T, 6,000 milliamp hour, 1.6 volt model. I got it for I think $42 on sale. It's $65 normally on Amazon. Several reviewers picked that one out of all the aftermarket ones, and they compared them all the videos compared them to the original Dyson, which I'm sure Dyson doesn't make it. I'm sure they outsource it to somebody in Indonesia or China, Malaysia. So what you need is a #1 screwdriver, preferably with an extension. And there's 3 screws. There's one here, there's 2 here, and then the battery comes out, or so I've seen in the videos. I want to show you how to do this. I think the Dyson battery for this, the factory replacement battery, is like $129. I'm not spending $129 on a vacuum. I can get a new vacuum for just a little bit more money, especially when you can get aftermarket batteries that seem to be better than what Dyson provides you. Them to fall out, maybe. There's one. You fall out. Yeah, you're loose. Come on out. There we go. That's what I had the first time. There we go. It looked like 3 similar screws there, and from what I was able to ascertain, yep, it just comes right on out. So if we lay this here, let's open what we got from the Amazon. Sorry for the laundry. I'm always doing laundry when I'm done it. Oh, look at that. They give you a #1 cheapy screwdriver, which I'll keep. Why not? And they also give you new filters. Ooh, a little cleaning brush. Some bubble wrap for some fun later. And it appears to be the same. Very similar. It's probably the same damn thing. This has, instead of the electronics being just soldered together, on the video they said that the cells and the circuit board are connected with or on a one piece of metal circuit board. So less to go wrong, less problems with heating. So that's the way that came out. Let's go ahead and jam this back in. just like that. Drop the screw in the hole. Drop the screw in the hole. Find my screwdriver. There it is. I prefer my custom guitar working. Come on. Find a thread. There we go. Maybe this is the one that went in the back. Oh, there we go. Ah, there's the same threads. 3 the same screws. And the last one goes right back here. Go. And you want either to use the screwdriver that came with it, which I can't find now, but I put it in my tool, Lazy Susan. All right, is it powered out of the box? Yep. It does need more charging, but we're going to go ahead and throw it on the charge. But that's all there is to it. Recycle this. Got new filters. Which you can just wash out the originals. So keep this in the little animal bag that you get from the manufacturer. Oh, and they give you 3 new screws, which are wood screws. Yeah, I think they said these lasted like a little over 9 minutes, whereas the factory battery lasted about 7.5 or 8, depending on which review you look at. Instructions: you get your brush so you can clean out like under there. It's interesting. Why didn't they give that to me new? I don't know. Take care of the old folks because they're special. Love your neighbor like you love yourself. And most of all, you have yourself a good day. We'll be back with another guitar video soon. I've got 2 to do. Peace.